Oi Walker here, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the brand new iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is the 512 gigabyte version in Sierra Blue. So it comes in this box. Let's see if I could take this off. Should be inside here. Let's get rid of the box. And there it is. See, I've got the Sierra Blue one, very nice. It comes in the Pro ones come in a nice sleek black box, and you also got some stuff. That doesn't come in like a plastic wrap anymore. It just has a little tab here at the top that you rip open. Overall, box is pretty good. It shows you some of the specs on the back. So let's rip this open and see. There you go. Lift up. Oh wow. So right on the top we got the phone, and the phone looks absolutely amazing. The color of it looks good. It's very similar to the other to last year's color. That's the one I have, but this is slightly lighter. I think it looks much better as well. I just want to confirm something. Yep, it is the correct size. So let's take this out. Put this to one side for a second. So also included, you have the SIM removal tool. I believe there should be some Apple stickers in here as well. And also you got the charging cable, and that is about it. If you want the plug, you have to buy it separately. You can get it off at Amazon for maybe £20 or $20 depending on where you are. I'll have a link to that in the description as well if you want to pick up a plug off of Amazon. So that's all you get in the packaging. So keep it nice and simple, and you know, it's supposed to be environmentally friendly and all that good stuff. So let's put that to one side and let's get to the phone itself. And you can see the phone looks absolutely amazing, and it's got the glossy side going all the way around. So right here you got the toggle switch right here to mute. You got the volume rocker, and then you got your SIM card tray right there. And at the bottom you got your speakers and your charging port, which is Thunderbolt. And on the side you've got your power button right here. And you can see me just holding the phone for a few seconds. You can see the amount of fingerprints that are on there already. So yeah, something you just need to bear in mind. It's gonna get a bit messy, so make sure you have a cloth. And then you got the cameras at the back as well, but I do really like the color. So let's take the front off. Wow, that sounded pretty good. And let's see if this has got any juice on there. So while that starts up, like I said before, this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. It's got a 6.7 inch display, and this does have the ProMotion display, which is like 120 hertz. So everything should be buttery smooth. It's got the new A15 Bionic chip. It's basically one of the fastest phones you could get in terms of everything. It has a gaming, performance, everything. So let's go for this setup. Do English. Select my country. United Kingdom. Setup menu. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through the setup process and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've just got the phone set up now. I've just done the basic setup. I've got the phone running and everything. And overall, it feels like an iPhone. If you used an iPhone before, you're going to be very familiar with the software. I believe this should be using the latest Android 15. Let me just double check. Yep, Android 15 preloaded. So that's the latest one, and it has slight improvements here and there. You can do your research and see what's new in iOS 15. Overall, everything seems snappy. I would say I do notice the 120 hertz display. It's like it's an adaptive display, so it increases when it needs to, and then it decreases the frame rate to, you know, to save battery life and all that kind of stuff. So hopefully this should be good, and should still be good in battery life as well. Overall, it's pretty good. Like I said, if you're familiar with iPhones, it's basically very similar to iPhone. Like I've currently got an iPhone now, and the switching over should be pretty easy. No thank you. Overall, quick impressions of the camera seems good. I'll be doing some video tests and stuff on my channel, so keep an eye out for that. And also, if there is any videos that you want to see, I'll be doing some more videos, but if there's anything in particular you want to see, let me know in the comment sections down below. But overall, this is just a quick little look at the new iPhone 13 Pro Max. First impressions are, it looks pretty good. Can't wait to test it out and see what this is all about. Yeah, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment section, leave a comments in the comments section down below, and I'll have some links in the descriptions for where you can buy the phone, where you can get some good cases and stuff like that. So go check that out. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Peace.